Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. Today we'll be making a strawberry banana wine, so stay tuned. Today we'll be making a 1 gallon batch of a strawberry banana wine. So let's go over what you'll need to get this. Alright, we have us a 2.5 gallon plastic bucket for our fermenter. 2 cups of sugar. This is going to be really fruit forward, so normally I put 5 pounds of fruit per gallon, but today it's 6, so I got 2 3-pound bags of this frozen strawberry banana blend. Strawberries and bananas, so 6 pounds. So, and you'll need a high quality water, so I got some spring water, and you'll need a method to warm that up. I like to use a little tea kettle, so I have everything right here, not go to the stove, boil some water. So I just boil water here. We're going to need a half a teaspoon of peptic enzyme. We're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of yeast nutrient and another 1/4 teaspoon of acid blend. And today, you know I like some Red Star, so we're using a Red Star Premiere Classique. Premiere Classique Red Star. So you'll need a package of that. Also, you'll need some cheesecloth. So let's get started. At step 1, we're going to be adding our dry ingredients. But first, we're going to get our water going in the tea kettle. I like that tea kettle because it doesn't take very long for it to get up to boiling. So always just fill it up to max. And we'll let it roll. So get your water started first. So you might hear it go in a minute. That's just it starting to boil. Save the rest of this water for later. Now, like I said, that's just a high quality spring water. So go ahead and dump in your 2 cups of sugar. Half a teaspoon of peptic enzyme. This peptic enzyme will help this clear. So this, with the banana, it's got a lot of pectin in it. So this peptic enzyme, let's do this over. So 1/4 teaspoon. Sorry, half a teaspoon. Yeah, that's half a teaspoon. Ooh, my eyes aren't what they used to be, guys. Getting old stinks. So now this is 1/4 teaspoon. So 1/4 teaspoon of acid blend. And that's just to give it a little mouth feel. I'm also going to add us a 1/4 teaspoon of yeast nutrient. Yeast nutrients just going to give the yeasties a little bit of vitamins, minerals to give it a little kick. So some people think it's optional, some don't. I think it kind of be optional. So as soon as our water heats up, we'll be right back. Alright, our water is boiling, so we're just going to pour it in. And we're going to take our bottle with sanitizing solution. We're going to hit this stainless steel spoon. Stir, 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 stir. We're going to stir till all that sugar is mixed up. Alright, then we're just going to add our strawberries and bananas. I like to keep them in like to keep them in cheesecloth so they don't make a big of a mess. And what I do is I just line a bowl with cheesecloth, fill it up, and then dump it in. Alright, I'm going to finish this up. We'll be right back. Alright, I ran out of cheesecloth, so I had to just dump some of it just in there. You got to do what you got to do. You know, sometimes this just might take a little bit to strain it. So we're just going to mix this up a little bit more. So sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. So then we're just going to add the rest of our gallon. This is a good quality spring water. I don't typically try to use my city water because it has chlorine and fluoride and chloride and fluorine and fluoride and all that kind of other stuff. So I tend to get spring water. So we're just going to give this a little stir. 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 So you can see it's already turning a good red color. So we're going to punch this down and stir it every day for a week. And this is already down to room temperature. With the, see, I froze, these are frozen strawberries and bananas, but I let them sit in the refrigerator overnight to thaw them out. So that and enough of the room temperature water was enough to cool it down afterwards. So all we're going to left to do, sprinkle our yeast on the top, and I just toss in the whole pack. This pack is enough to do 5 gallons, and this is just a 1 gallon batch. And you can give it a little stir if you need to, if you want to. I don't ever do a yeast starter. I've done it once or twice in the past, and I've seen same results if I do it or if I don't. Now if it was maybe a high acid wine, I might do a starter, but this is not a high acid wine. And make sure you cover it. And that's it. We're going to be back to wrap things up. That's how you make a strawberry banana wine. Fermentation should start in the next day or two and last up to 7 to 10 days. At that time, we're going to rack into a secondary fermenter to get it off this fruit and all the leaves and the stuff that gets in the bottom. So stay tuned for that. If you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time we come out with a new wine and a new video. Also, if you need any of these ingredients or equipment, there's Amazon affiliate links in the description below. If you click any of those links and go about your normal Amazon shopping, you'll help this channel out and help me buy more ingredients and equipment. Also, there's a little donate button on my YouTube main page. If you want to kick some dollars my way, it will go to help me buy equipment and ingredients to keep this channel going. So I appreciate everything y'all do. Y'all hit the like button and leave me a comment in the description below. Tell me what you're making or what you might want me to make in the future. This is Chris with Winemaker TV. That's all there is today.